Alright, let's look at some chart action for TKAT. Before we do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, so we're looking at TKAT right now, and we had this big run going like this, and then a huge pullback going like this. So I'm curious what's going to happen right now. There's a couple things that we can kind of do to look at it. So let's go to the weekly time frame, and we can see better this this run. Basically, we get the Fibonacci retracement tool. We'll get from the bottom and drag it to the top. I know it's kind of hard to see this wick right here, but if you go into like the 1 hour or the 4 hour or the 1 hour, you can see that it came up right there and we got a wick and then it pushed back down. So that's basically what I like to use this Fibonacci tool for, is these big huge runs. See where it retraces, maybe see where we can get an entry at, and then maybe it'll push back up. So right now we're sitting right around that 50% level, and you can see it dipped down to the 61% level right there. What the levels I like to usually watch are this 38% level and the 50% level. So we're right at the level that I usually like to watch anyway. So I'm planning on putting in an order right here and seeing, just to be safe. I'm gonna pretty much hedge the bet on this one. So we also can look at this trend line going down. We have this like downtrend ever since we got up there. We've been pushing down, and we just find resistance right here and right here. So every time we kind of come into this contact with this line, we've been pushing down. I'm curious if we are, after we come into contact with this, if we're going to push down more, maybe to the 61% level. I'm not sure. So the other thing I wanted to show you is we also have this uptrend going something like this. This isn't perfect, but it's something along these lines, maybe something like that. We kind of broke below it already, but I still think we're getting some support. Like, we got these little green candles right there. So I think we're still in this triangle. We haven't got a lot of volume either. There's been like basically not much volume at all compared to up here. So let's kind of see when we break up or if we break down and look for volume, green or red candles. Right now I'm going to hedge my bet and just put in an order just to be safe, and then we can kind of see. The other thing I've been doing is setting up some buy levels. So if we go into the rectangle tool, we can kind of draw little square areas right here, and maybe something like right here, and maybe something down here like this. And so what I'm basically doing is looking for support where the price came down and then bounced up. So right there it did that, and right here it did something similar, and then right here it found support, and then more support. So my plan is to buy at these levels and then make similar levels at these tops. So maybe something like that and something like that. So I mean, we can do other kind of a sell strategy, maybe something like right up here, or maybe even, and well, the other thing I'm trying to get better is dollar cost averaging. I mean, right now I'm only going to buy one share, but we'll see if it dips down lower, if I could buy some more, and then we'll get more opportunities to sell at different places as well. Alright, so let's take a look at the moving averages. I cleared everything out, and what I want to look at is just to see kind of the momentum right now. So on the hourly, I don't know which way, if I should go big time frame or smaller time frame. I mean, if we go out to the monthly, let's go the big time frame first. If you go out to the monthly, this looks really good. We got this moving average coming in like this, and we broke above it right here, and as you can see, we got this huge pump up. It's kind of, I'm honestly thinking that we should get like a retracement back down further, but I'm not sure. So if you go to the weekly time frame, same thing, we broke right here, and we got this moving average coming in like this, which is good. The price is above it. Okay, so now we're going to the daily time frame. We broke right here, but look, it's giving us some resistance right here. The one thing though that it is doing is giving us some support right here. That's what I do like about this. That's why I am gonna make an order today, is because this is holding support for right now, and if that continues to hold support, I think that'll look good. The question is, will it hold support? If you go to the 4 hour time frame, it's kind of in and out. Right now the price is under the moving average, so that's not great, but it's testing it right now. It's in and out of it right now. It could go up or down, I feel like. If you go into the hourly, same exact thing. It's just going to be moving in and out. I'm kind of curious if we could kind of do maybe a triangle pattern, something like even like this possibly, and maybe wait and see where this breaks, because I don't know, it might go to the downside, but I'm hedging my bets and putting it in order right now. I kind of want to be exposed to some of this NFT stuff, and I think if I can find some levels, maybe trade it a little bit more. I'm guessing that it's going to be volatile, so that's probably a good thing. So yeah, be careful though. I have a feeling that it could go down, and if it goes down, it might go down pretty big. I mean, let's see what a percentage drop to some of these levels that I was looking at. I mean, this level right here, that's 16%. Right here, that's 44%. Down here is like 90%. So yeah, this is hardcore. But at the same time, if you go from here to the all-time high, that's 107%. So this is risky. I feel like I'm getting in the middle. So who knows? This is where I'm gonna start at, and then like I said, I have those buy levels. Let's see if we can kind of come down and touch those. If not, we can go up and make some profits. And then like I said, maybe we'll set up some sell levels to take some profits. I kind of just want to see what's going on with this stock, these NFT stocks, and I kind of want to get some exposure to them. All right, let's get a share of TKAT. So we'll go to TKAT, market order, 1 share, and buy it. Buy TKAT 3640. Okay. But yeah, if you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up button.